What if I tell you this? You need to purchase 5 brand new BMWs in Europe in order to have the same amount of warranty in terms of years as a Lexus or a Toyota. Maybe it sounds funny or hilarious or unbelievable, but in Romania, if you purchase a brand new Toyota, you will benefit from the Toyota Relax program. By the way, it's not sponsored by Toyota or anyone else. It's just my opinion, but you get a 10-year warranty or 200,000 kilometers. If you purchase a brand new BMW, you have 2 + 1 years as standard or 200,000 kilometers. So in terms of kilometers, you have the same number. But in terms of years, 3 years compared to 10 years. In Europe, most drivers drive around 10,000 to 20,000 kilometers a year. Maybe someone who drives a bit more, let's say 30,000 kilometers, but that translates to 6 to 7 years in warranty. But for a BMW, you get only 3. So if you drive, let's say, 15,000 kilometers a year, within 3 years, you have only around 45, let's say 50,000 kilometers driven, and your warranty is done. I told you 15 years. Well, in Germany, the same program from Toyota is even better. You get 15 years or 250,000 kilometers. To be honest, I think this is the largest, most extended, longest warranty I have ever seen. 15 years. 15 years or 250,000 kilometers. If you drive 15,000 kilometers a year, 15 multiplied with 15 equals 225,000 kilometers in Germany. And this warranty covers mainly everything except, brakes, shock absorbers, springs, mechanical components which can deteriorate or can break down depending on your driving style. If you drive it aggressively or you drive it on excessively bumpy roads, or you're a poor driver, you have poor driving capabilities, you mistreat, let's say, the vehicle, okay, those components may break down faster. Warranty may not take this into consideration. But electrical systems, multimedia, any kind of errors, if you drive a hybrid, the entire hybrid system, the battery, the engine, most of the car is under the full warranty. So you don't have to pay extra for this extended warranty. It's as standard in Romania or in Germany, and I believe in other countries as well. I don't know, to be precise, what kind of warranty you guys get in the US or in the UK or in Australia or in Canada, but in Europe, in Germany, in Romania, you get 10 to 15 years. I've seen some announcements, let's say, some car posts from dealers from Germany while I was scrolling, looking at different prices for different cars. I've seen for Lexus and Toyota that you get 15 Jahre. And I was like, 15 years? 15 years of what? And I was scratching my head like, is there a 15-year warranty? It appears yes, after Googling to the main website from Germany. I've seen there that, you officially get 15 years or 250,000 kilometers, which is amazing. I'll give this to a BMW. You can extend your warranty for a fee up to 5 years. And you can also pay a fee and you can have your full maintenance included for a number of years. So you can extend your warranty for a BMW up to 5 years for a fee, but no more than 200,000 kilometers. For a Toyota, you get 10 years as standard or up to 200,000 kilometers, and you have to pay no additional fees. So to be honest with you, I'm impressed. I'm impressed by the confidence that Toyota has when it comes to its cars, when it comes to reliability. Toyota trusts its cars and it trusts its customers. Because someone who drives a Toyota will not drive aggressively. Somebody who purchases a brand new Toyota will not go heavily, push it to the limit. They will not skip maintenance. They will drive in a good manner compared to the average BMW driver, especially if you purchase a sporty BMW and you want to do a launch control, a power slide, a small drift. So yeah, I get it. They're driven differently, and this may affect the long-term reliability of vehicles. If you drive in the same way a Toyota, yeah, it may break down faster, but it's a completely different kind of customer, driver, person. It's totally different. And Toyota knows its customers, Toyota knows its cars, so that's why it has the balls, let's say, to give such a long extended warranty. There are also a few manufacturers which give some extended longer warranties, but in my opinion, Toyota has the longest and the best one available. Let me know what you think in the comment section. Thank you for watching, and I'll talk to you guys in the next video.